Good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm going to be doing another challenge today. Today's challenge is going to be a fruit challenge. I'll be eating fruit. Yes, I'll be eating fruit for 3 days. Only fruit. So, and then green juice as well. So I want to do a green juice. I did a grocery shopping whereby I got some green juice supply. So I want to make that. Then I want to go get some little fruits that I'll be eating every single day, okay, for the 3 days. So I'll be checking my weight, okay. I'll be checking my weight right now with you all so that you guys can see what I am weighing. Then I will start making the fruits, the green juice. Then I'll go get my fruits, and I'm not be eating much fruits, mostly mainly pineapple, banana, and watermelon. Those are the fruits I can get easy. For strawberry and the rest, those ones I'm not sure that the small market in my area has that one. So when I went for grocery shopping, I did not see strawberry. So I'm going to be skipping strawberry and the rest of the fruits, but I'll be having mostly watermelon, pineapple, banana, and apple as well. I'll be having apple as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, share, beautiful comment, and mango. Yeah, I'll be having mango too. So yeah, I don't know how this fruit fast is gonna be like. Morning fruit, afternoon fruit, night fruit, snacks will be green juice. Oh God, have mercy. All right, so today is 29. So sorry, 27. Today is 27 of May. So in the next 3 days, I just hope I lose this remaining 2 kg or so. But anyway, let's check my weight. Let's see where I'm weighing right now, and then we'll continue. Let's see. $67.85. Are you people sure? Let it off. Let me check. Let me check it again. I need to off another clothes. You know, they say clothes make weight. So you can see 67.55 because I off one of my shop maker. So 67.55. That is what I'm weighing. 67.55. I had to off a short knicker of mine. They say clothes have weight. I believe they say that itself have weight or whatever. So I had to off the short. Then it now went down to 67.55. Yes, so that should be my actual weight because I'm only wearing bra and pants, and I weigh myself. I'm weighing 67.55. So this is my actual weight, and we'll start the recipe. I'll be showing you guys what I'm eating. Yes, that's how diet vlog is all about. But anyway, if you watch this, thank you so much for watching, and please watch the video to the end to check out my weight. Finger crossed. Pray for me, guys. Let this work. All right, I'll see you guys later. 3 days. I have 4 bottles of green juice, okay, and I measure it. It is three cups inside, like this cup. This is the cup I used to measure the green juice for each of these bottle, and I put 3 of these. There's three each. I have this watermelon, some apple, the tomato is for my salad. I have this pineapple, lemon for water, and oranges if I want to snack, carrot in case I want to snack, mango, and banana. So this is everything. I have my salad right here. So I might add salad to these fruits. This everything are fruits now, both salad and fruits. Nobody say species they are from. So anyway, maybe in the night I might, if I feel like eating salad, I might just eat salad and mix it with the fruit. Okay, mix some fruit with the salad together, or eat only plain fruit. So it depends. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's make my breakfast, because the time now is 11 after 11. When I'm done with my workout, I'll come and make my breakfast. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is my food. It's already lunch. It's already after 12. Okay, so definitely I skipped breakfast, and this is lunch. So this is after 12. I'm going to be having this right now, and I'll see you guys later. So, as I just came to say some few words. This fruit diet is a good way to lose weight, okay, but it's not a permanent solution. Yeah, so this was day 3, and this was what I weigh. I was weighing 66.25. I did lose weight. Previously when I started this, I was in 67. So I started losing weight gradually. All right. So this was my breakfast.
and eating same meal sometimes is is something. So I always finish that my bottle of water. This was my lunch. I always finish the bottle of my water. Here I had some. So I decided to change my fruit little bit. I have banana, pineapple, and pawpaw. Okay, here is my snack time. I'm having some fruit inside for snacks. This is a good way to lose weight. Okay, it's a good way to push your body to shed a little bit of fat or a little bit of weight. I did lose weight, okay, in this challenge, and this is going to make your skin glow. I felt light every time I wake up in the morning. I felt super, super light, like really, really light. And for dinner, I had salad. And mostly in this challenge, I had salad for dinner and green juice, okay. So I still weigh the same thing I weigh in the three, okay, the same 66.25. This was the next day. I still weighed the same thing. So I started shedding little by little. The first day I shedded a lot of weight, but the second day I started shedding small, small. But this is a good way to lose weight anyway. I enjoyed the challenge. I hope you did as well. I hope this motivates you to lose some weight and your skin is going to glow. You're going to be shining. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.